Run.
YouTube people might don't make him look bad. Watch it.
Hit that subscribe button and don't let me have nothing.
Rush-Dem Vlogs.
Hello everyone, WaGwaNious. My name is Rush-Dem Rushawn. Coming to you again with another spectacular vlog video. Yeah man, so for this week vlog video, we basically I do a little ride along, you know. Me and the old man there. But as you can see, there's a lot of people actually there at the park right now. You know. People over here say exercise, and if you can see them in the background over there. So you have kids at the park and all of that.
Rush-Dem said like the video.
Yeah, the rider, yeah. The rider.
Alright, take shoe off. Yeah.
Come son. Pedal. Balance.
Alright, with no hand.
You can't do that, man.
Ready?
You can't, don't try it.
1, 2, 3.
I watch how me I go ride with no hand. When any...
You ride with no hand and you have that, you better mind it. Nobody take shoe off.
That's what me used to do.
Yeah, that's what you used to. The emphasis on the used to. Well, I guess we're going to start doing. We must can do this every evening.
Young boy, how you tired, sir? You young boy, how you blow, sir?
Because...
How you blow, sir? How you breathe, sir? Are you tired?
Yeah.
Bun you.
You need to lose. Look how weight, you know? So. But just need like a month of this now, you can't hold me. You see what happens when I go back to the gym?
You have a long way to go.
You already said that. But you see what happens when I go back to the gym?
So you have a long way to do.
You couldn't keep up with me when we go to the gym.
Well, no, you can't keep up with me. Come, follow me.
Alright.
Follow me.
Yeah, that's hard.
Follow me. Follow me, man. Follow me. Follow me, man. I don't know. Follow the trail.
That's what it's long, man.
Come.
No idea after that trail.
Follow me, man. YouTube people might make him look bad. Watch it. I tell you, watch it. Look how far in there. Wanna watch it? Watch it.
Pass you, go pass you. Pass you! That should never change gear.
That's it. See? Look how easy. Eh?
I'm tired.
Come, what you mean you're tired? Come, young boy, come. Come, young boy, come.
I'm tired.
Come, man. Don't make your old man burn you out. Come.
Turn back, but give me a little break. Oh God. I'm tired, people. I'm really out of shape. I'm not gonna lie, the exercise feels good though.
They sound someone.
Man, that be nice though.
They sound so.
I'm tired.
I'm tired you. A little bit alright, tired you.
Yeah, just love show off too much. You know?
Yes. No
That's
sure.
all wrong with you. Like, yeah, you're not tired, alright. That's good for you.
What tired about
Me tired.
Mm-hmm.
You know, admit that you tired is alright. Me tired. Watch out now, watch out. Watch out. I never see somebody who love show off saying I'm alive. Like, really? All of this necessary?
You suck!
Yeah, jackass.
Hold this look a bit, me need water. Always come prepared, people. Water. Alright guys, we're gonna head back, you know. How do you feel about the bicycle?
Feel great, feel good, feel like me at 16 again.
The exercise feel good, right?
Used to ride when me young,
Yeah.
and when me all in my 30s,
Yeah.
used to ride all 50 miles.
Eh?
Yeah. Used to ride from Westmoreland, go to St. Elizabeth.
Mm.
And it was fun for me to ride go from Westmoreland, go to St. Elizabeth on weekend.
Yeah.
And ride, come back, come down, and go to work.
Yeah.
Yeah. Anytime I do furniture work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Who the hell cares?
Last time I ride a bicycle, maybe 2014. Or even about 2012, to be honest. That's the last time me ride a bicycle. But the gym them locked down, you know, so this is the best kind of exercise you can get.
I run out of breath though.
Yeah, me out of breath, yes, I'm tired. We already explained that part there already. But you think me feel because I'm tired? I'm tired.
You're tired.
Yes.
You have to fit like me. Like me, like
I mean,
me.
you weigh about 90 pounds.
You know
So
what?
you're light.
Good. That's my advantage.
Yeah.
You think me go
So
through?
that me just explain why
well-
you have no weight. That's why it's easy for you.
Me no weigh no 90 pounds anyway. Whatever pound me weigh, work for me.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
guess what? Purpose of the bicycle is for this. So we can ride,
Alright,
and
come.
we can lose weight.
Pick up some speed and come. Good cameraman, right?
Yeah man, you're good man. I your job this from no one. Until me can't do it, I your job. Your job this.
One hand.
About time you start learn to use the camera anyway.
That's a excuse.
No, I just say a benefit.
Oh,
No
okay.
excuse.
Come with salary.
Eh?
You come with salary.
I mean, you already show off for the camera that I pay enough for you.
Rush-Dem to like the video.
So alright guys, right now we're looking for some bicycle. May I think forget that one here guys, when I think about the blue one here. One thing. One thing, forget that one, yeah? As you can see the bicycle aisle, we don't have a lot of choices. People then buy out the bicycle and stuff, you know. My father look on that one here still. One thing about getting that one here. Right now I look on it because he can't take it down. So I wonder if he can buy it or not. Alright, let me help him out. Hold on for the camera there. Okay guys, one thing about that one here. That one look kinda too big for him though, alright? I think that one will fit him though. One of them there over there, so one of them there one though. Just buy the bicycle them a while ago. We are going to tie you up on the truck, you know, drive home, change off, and then go for a look ride. You see, this is why I don't do stuff for people, because they're always ungrateful. You never you can say, alright, thank you. You have to say something else.
Alright then, thank you.
You can't keep that. But you're alright then, thank you.
I buy a bicycle my own.
Where say what?
And I said I buy a bicycle.
You buy me a bicycle?
What do you mean if I don't buy a
Which part of the receipt there?
A pocket.
Show me a receipt.
Since you buy my bicycle, say you buy a bicycle, I buy your KFC, right?
You buy me KFC?
Yeah. That's squid sound.
Yeah. Watch your money walk out in the road. People not no sense over here. No, look on him. Look on him on belly, yo.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright guys, we are drive up to the drive-thru at KFC right now. So what's your money, man? Like really lady that hungry? Anyways, I think I want to wait name there. But then call us a famous bowl.
Pay for half, right?
I have to pay for half it. You pay for half of your bicycle you just get a while ago. You see people like this? Why don't you win and talk to people? Ask them if you have oxtail and rice.
Why you not ask me? Me, you want not like that.
Come on, you drive up and ask them if you have no oxtail and rice. What's this, everything?
You have oxtail and rice? You have oxtail and rice?
You don't got no Jamaican food, man?
No. These are some dumpling, man.
Some dumplings?
Yeah.
I think there was a snow over there.
Cool.
Here you go. That was what I said.
Alright, man, thank you.
Thank you. The man understand?
The man turn over juice, really. So what kind of man you
Rush-Dem Vlogs. Thanks for watching. You can watch more videos down below on the left. But don't forget to hit that